My name is Saraswini here from 6th Jasmine in Vishwabharati Techno School. Today I am telling about natural changes and man-made changes. Natural changes. They are formed by nature. Examples: sunrise, sunset. Man-made changes. Man-made changes are occurred by humans, are created by humans. Example: well done, lighting. Thanks for viewing this.